Welcome to my latest video. Today we're in Hilo on the Big Island, where we're doing a DIY shore excursion. So come along with us as we explore the island. So let's cue the intro. If you like the content, please remember to like and share. And click subscribe to get all the latest content. Today we've hired a car from Turo, which is just a short walk from the cruise terminal. Turo is like the Airbnb of the car hire world. These are all local people listing their own private cars on here, where you can hire them for the amount of time you want. By booking it through Turo, this will cover you for all your insurance. There's different levels of policies you can take out. This was the car we hired from Turo. This was $131. That's included the standard level insurance and the delivery to the port, which was an extra charge. That's us on the way out. Today we've got multiple stops, which my wife had pre-planned by going through the shore excursions and picking out all the stuff she wanted to see. By doing it this way, you get to see what you want to see and not all the stuff you don't want to see, and you're doing it for a fraction of the cost of the shore excursion. So our first stop today is about a 30-minute drive from the port of Hilo. Akaka Falls State Park was our first stop. Because we came straight from the ship here, we was here before all the tours, so it was very quiet and nice to walk around. Here we have the first view of the falls, which is 142 feet drop waterfall. Here, to get between the waterfall views, you have these nice trails through the rainforest. Here we're approaching the closest viewpoint. Here we have another viewpoint of a different waterfall on the trail. Now we've finished at the falls, we're heading to our next stop, which will be the Botanical Gardens, which is about a 20-minute drive away from the falls. Here we are at the Hawaii Tropical Botanical Gardens. We pre-booked our tickets. You don't seem to have to, you can buy them on the day, but they cost $32 per person. These gardens have trails over a mile long here, where you'll see some very rare and endangered plants. So come along with us while we explore these gardens. Here we have the map. You can see the various trails around the gardens here, and while you explore the gardens there is over 2,500 different species of plants to look at. From the gardens we got these locally made ice lollies which are made on the island. These were very nice, and there was also gluten free. Now we've finished up the botanical gardens, we're going to head back towards Hilo and head towards the lava tubes. Here we are at the Kaumana Caves, which are the lava tubes. These lava tubes are over 2 kilometers long. From this access point here you can explore half kilometers of the lava tubes. This is just free access to these lava tubes. You just park on the roadside where there's a lay-by and you go down these steps, but be careful, it is very slippery and wet inside, and it is recommended you bring your own torch. We tried using the torch on our iPhones, but you literally could see nothing with it, so it was only the case of some other people being near us with a torch who was able to see some stuff. Next we headed to the Wailuku River where we went to see the boiling pots. where it has all the trees which comes over the road.